Hi, Lee's here, inviting you to attend one of my vision board workshops or organize one. If you're an organization, want to do some team building, are an individual, want to throw a party, or a group of people, or you're a sport team, please click on the link below and I will speak to you directly to organize the vision board workshop of your dreams. So what is vision boarding? Well, vision boarding is a very creative way to manifest your dreams, your ambitions, your goals. It's a technique used to train your subconscious, your conscious mind, your body, and your spirit to really go beyond yourself, and surpass your efforts. Usually we use images, photos, words, we can draw, we can paint. We then take the vision board and we put it in a strategic environment in our home, or if we've chosen to do it in a digital format, we can look at it on a daily basis. And basically it's to align the universe with our desires and our ambitions, as well as the life that we want to have and create. The way that I've created my workshops is that once you click on the link, you will receive a questionnaire. The questionnaire was built and developed from my various certifications in coactive coaching, a 2-year program, which is individual coaching, leadership coaching, as well as human synergistics, which is more based on the whole organization, including leaders in the organization, as well as 25 years of sales experience. Once you've done the questionnaire, I analyze the questionnaire, I gather all the material you will need to do your vision board, that it be in the afternoon, in an afternoon session or in an evening session. If I'm doing it with an organization, we can do it on a theme basis. I usually offer a glass of wine, some food, and I do coaching throughout the event. I think the coaching aspect is one of the most important aspects of it, since we usually answer the question, but once we get into the workshop, we usually forget some of the answers we've put down. So please click on the link below. I look forward to seeing you at my next workshop or organizing a workshop for you. Thank you very much and have a great day.